And so this area here, I went and put my new orange gloves on. I broke down and finally threw away the other pair that I had. Once they get too old and they start getting little holes in the fingers and stuff, and they start getting really smelly, you'll know it's time for a new pair. Now, if you got your gloves that are smelly, and if there's no holes in the fingers or anything like that, you could probably throw them in the washing machine, possibly. You want to do that to prolong them a little bit, but then after a while, you'll know, trust me. They'll be all cracked here and little lines to let the dirt come in the fingers, and every time you pull your gloves off, your hands or your fingertips are dirty, and this gets, the gloves get really smelly after a while. And so I broke down. I actually got these from Home Depot, I think it was, and I got a 5-pack. Sometimes they sell them in a 5-pack or a 10-pack. I got a 10-pack of yellow, but I had the orange ones, and I thought, hey, I'm going to finish using the orange ones, and I had a 5-pack of the orange, 10-pack of the yellow. Always look, when you're going to buy gloves kind of like this, always try to find them in a 5-pack or a 10-pack. Sometimes they have them in a 3-pack, rather than buying them individually. You'll save a ton of money. Okay, well, it looks like I better get busy. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.